There are several ways that a patient can participate in breast cancer research. Quite often, at the point of diagnosis for a patient, the doctors or the medical team might present some options to the patient for clinical trials that are being held or run in their area or in their medical center. Sometimes patients will actively search out clinical trials at clinicaltrials.gov or other sites that have listings of current clinical trials. So that's one of the most well-known ways of participating in cancer research. It's not the only way that it does impact you the most and right away. When you're in a clinical trial for your treatment, it does affect what you're being treated with and how that treatment goes, and that might be different than what other patients undergoing the same treatment for breast cancer would be experiencing themselves. But other ways that a patient can participate in research is by filling out surveys. There are several organizations out there that have large registries that are looking for patients to fill out information about their experience with a breast cancer diagnosis or other cancer diagnosis that may be related to breast cancer. Things like the About Network that is looking at hereditary breast and ovarian cancers to create a registry that would be made available to researchers who are looking at questions that are particular to hereditary cancers. By participating in those types of research opportunities, a patient doesn't have to be undergoing treatment right then. Maybe they've never been diagnosed with cancer but are at high risk, but their information can make a huge difference in the research that is being done out there and could actually lead researchers to new questions that might be the one to make the breakthrough that changes the way that cancers are treated today or tomorrow. So looking for those kinds of opportunities in addition to what we typically hear about in clinical trials is another way to participate.
Do you know that not every breast cancer patient needs chemotherapy? Now there's a way to decide if chemotherapy will benefit you based on the unique biology of your tumor. To learn more about the Oncotype DX test and how to discuss it with your doctor, click this button.